Are you interested in restoring your sandstone slab path from looking really shabby into something looking newly laid? In this video, we're going to cover how we achieve this. All the work in this video was carried out by purchasing tools and materials. We would appreciate if you could give us a like, and why not subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with our latest content. The first job was to clean the path, and I'll post a separate video for that as it was completed at a different time. Having got the slabs relatively clean, the next job was to remove the grass down the side of the path to facilitate removing the sandstone slabs. Pull up the slabs one by one and check for ants' nests underneath, as this is a time to get rid of them. Now mix up a slurry. I am using rugby cement from Selco. At the time I put this video together, there was a national shortage of cement. When measuring cement, you should always try and tap the measuring device, as cement will settle in the container and you can get more in. SBR is an additive that helps increase adhesion. It helps cement when applying in damp places. You will need 10 parts cement, 2 parts water and 2 parts SBR additive. I use a drill with a mixer paddle to mix, but you can do it with a spade. Make sure it is thoroughly mixed together and the consistency of whipped cream. Add more water or cement if your proportions are wrong. Simply put the slurry under the slab. You need a good amount for the bed, don't just dot and dab. On my path it is going on compacted earth, but on the patio it was over cement. Check the slabs are as level as possible, leaving an all-round gap. The good thing about slurry is you can put a lot under and then push down to get the desired level, but don't get it on top of the slabs. Now get out the epoxy sand. I'm using Nexus Fusion, but this is only because they had a sand colour. Other brands mix black in the sand colour. I also didn't follow the instructions. The manufacturers want you to use a lot of water and rinse the sand down the cracks, but you will lose a lot this way and it's hard to get it well packed. Let's look at how this works. You want the bedding sand to fall down under the slab a little, and then due to the tapered edge of the slab, the epoxy sand will hold the slab in place. I rinse the path with water. Pour the epoxy sand on the path. I now spread the sand along the cracks and push it in using my hands. Make sure you wear gloves as it sticks to your hands. Using a building trowel, I push it down thoroughly to build it up in height of the stone from the ground. If I can't get a trowel in the gap, I wash it in with water. Thoroughly sweep the excess sand off the slab at an angle to the line of the crack. You need to try and remove all residue, however I found it naturally wore off over a few weeks. The final stages should be to let the path dry for a few months and seal, although I've not done this myself. This path was constructed in lockdown. It is still solid today and no weeds have grown in between the cracks in more than a year. I will leave a few Amazon affiliate links below so you can see what I used. Thank you for watching.